So you know how in the news, the avocado mayo that you've been paying $8 for doesn't even have avocado oil? Well, we're gonna show you how to make butter mayo that takes how many minutes?
About 5 minutes.
Oh, about 5 minutes. This is Chris Cooking Nashville. You may have heard of him. He's kind of famous in Tennessee. And in 5 minutes, you can take butter and 4 more ingredients and make your own butter mayo. And guess what you know then? You know what's in your mayo. You're not having to pay $8 for it. What did it cost to make this batch?
Oh, if you buy the budget ingredients, what, $1 or $2?
$1 or $2. So stop paying $8 for a tiny serving of mayo that you have no idea what kind of vegetable oil's in it. Make your own butter mayo. Can I try some of this?
I'd love it. So I made this yesterday so that it could set up in the fridge because it's butter mayo, but it is spreadable.
So this has been in the fridge overnight. Look how thick it is. That's as thick as Duke's. And in Tennessee, Duke's, I mean,
yep,
that's it. All right, let's do back of the spoon. Look at this. Okay, this is not runny, gloppy. This literally looks like supermarket mayo.
Yep.
And that's almost an insult these days.
That's right.
But it looks like it's got that same look to it, right? So let's try it. Move over, Dukes. That is delicious. Okay.
Yeah.
This is worth $8 for 4 ounces, but it literally costs you $2 and 5 minutes to make your own mayo. You want to show us how you did it?
I would love to show you guys how we do it.
Take it away.
Watch this. So we're going to take some water over here, bring that up to a simmer. What's really cool about this is Dr. Berry has talked about how raw egg whites, they have kind of an anti-nutrient effect. They may be not great for some people. We're actually going to cook the egg white, so you don't need to throw the egg white away, but you also don't have to eat it raw, which is how a lot of mayonnaise recipes are made. We're actually going to poach the egg, which also stabilizes the egg white proteins and means that this does not split on you nearly as easily. And I'm going to show you how to make it with a blender so you don't actually have to have a bunch of fancy kitchen gear. So first things first, we're going to poach an egg. What a pleasure to cook in this kitchen. How cool. Careful, I'll just throw a cod out back. To make poaching our egg easier, we're going to just crack it into a small bowl because it is much easier to pour out of a bowl than it is out of the shell without breaking it. So once the little bubbles are forming on the bottom and they're just starting to come up, we don't want any faster of a simmer than that because that will destroy the egg white. So have your egg in a separate bowl. We're going to very carefully lower this into the water so we don't break anything. And then we're going to poach that for 1 to 2 minutes, just enough that the white is cooking, but that the yolk is still nice and soft. While the egg is poaching, we're going to go ahead and turn on the burner to melt our butter. And we're going to get the butter boiling hot. So our poached egg is done. We're going to very carefully scoop this. So the white is cooked, but you can see it's very loose and runny. It's exactly what we're looking for. That goes into our blender. And it's going to break, but that's okay, because it's going to get blended up anyway. And I like to get all of this extra egg white protein because it's just extra protein for your mayo. And those proteins actually help the emulsification of the fat and the water to be a little bit more stable, which is probably why this comes out so smooth so easily.
Now that everybody knows that the avocado mayo you've been paying $10 for in the store or online doesn't really have avocado oil in it, wouldn't it be great if there was a recipe book that you could learn how to make your own butter mayo in 5 minutes? This is about $2, and it's the most delicious mayo you'll ever put in your mouth. I wish there were a cookbook that had recipes like that in it. Oh, wait, there is. Look at this one. It's called Eat Your Meat, Love Your Life by Chris Cooking Nashville. You should maybe check this out. It's where all books are sold, right?
Yeah, all books.
Is there going to be
in the description?
Is there going to be an Audible for us with ADHD?
Maybe eventually so. I'd love to do one. So we're going to add in about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. You can add whatever kind of mustard you want. You don't have to add any mustard at all, but I do think the flavor of that is really, really nice, especially if you're trying to replicate those store-bought mayos. Next, we're going to add in roughly a teaspoon of white vinegar, less if you want a less tangy mayo, more if you would like it really sharp. You don't actually have to use any, but it is really nice. And if you are one of those people who likes the Miracle Whip, feel free to add in a little keto sweetener like a stevia or an allulose, and you can get that sweetness along with a pinch of paprika. We're going to add some vinegar in here as well. And this is where you can adjust the texture of your mayo. I'm going to add in a couple of tablespoons of this hot water. More makes a thinner mayo, less or none at all makes a thicker. So just test it out with 2 to 3 tablespoons and then adjust for your next batch. Last thing we need is a good sized pinch of salt. And we can always add more salt afterwards, so taste it before you go too heavy on the salt. And if you would like to flavor your mayonnaise like garlic, herbs, any other kinds of spices, feel free to throw them in there. I'm going to put the lid on and we're just going to start to blend. We're going to let that run on low, and then while our butter is boiling, we're going to turn that up slightly and we're going to slowly pour the butter in. Crank it up on high. And that's it. Now this is very thin right now because it is hot and melted, but put this in the refrigerator, let it set up overnight, and the next day you have mayonnaise.
Dr. Barry always clears his throat before he starts. That's how you know it's not AI.
That's right.
That's right.
Also, we've got Dr. Barry, the one and only, and Chris cooking Nashville, wizard of the kitchen. Take it away, boys.
We're gonna be shooting making your own mayo. This is butter mayo.
Butter mayo.
Right? And so you're gonna get to watch as we actually make the short. And you can ask questions and Neisha will answer.
Yeah.
Is it bacon?
All right, so this is Chris's bacon that he made for us in the kitchen, but he also he cured it and he smoked it.
No sugar.
This is the original. Yeah, not sugar cured, just cured with salt, right?
You get the floppy one, I'll get the crispy.
I want the floppy one. Cheers. And the rest is honey.
Turbo bacon.
And it's perfectly cooked too. There's an orange.
She's weird for Chris.
Oh, right. I'm shocked.
Mm.
Good. I like it.